Hi everybody, I hope you're having a really fun day today. I am going to take you on a nature walk. We're not going to be gone very long. We're just going to go and have a quick look at some of the things growing down beside my house. So let's have a look and see. I see lots of things that are growing. Look at these. Look at the dandelion. And there's some purple flowers coming up. There's a very tall tree. There's a deer trail here. This is where the deer come down. We get lots of deer in my neighborhood. Oh, do you see the little tiny leaves? This tree has some lovely leaves coming up on it. There's some small buds here. Very small, hard to see on the camera. Over here, I think this might be where some of the deer like to sleep. There's all these yellow flowers. Isn't that pretty? And there's some that haven't opened up yet, and then the ones that have opened. There's a fern. I really like ferns. Look at all the green. These are wild onions. If you pull them out, which I don't know if I can, they're usually hard to pull out. Oh yeah, wild onions. Isn't that cool? There's a whole patch of them. Look, do you see the deer tracks? This is so cool. Do you see? The deer love being back here. And look at this moss. It's very soft. There's an ant crawling around. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Hi, little guy. Do you see him? I'm gonna put him back on the moss. Come on, little guy. There he goes. There's all kinds of creatures back here. Earlier, I saw some squirrels, some bumblebees. There's birds out everywhere. Can you hear it? What do you have at your house? Do you have any of the same things that I have? Do you have trees? There's trees that have rough bark, some that have flaky bark. There's tiny trees. There's lots of trees back there. These two trees are growing very high, very tall together. What things do you have at your house that are growing? I can't wait to see. Thanks for coming along with me, and we will do another one later this week.